The tablecloth is white, symbolizing the purity of their intentions to respond to our country's call to arms.
Remember.
The plate. The plate is round. The plate shows our everlasting concern for their condition. Remember. The vase. The red ribbon on the vase represents the ribbons worn on the lapels of thousands who bear witness with unyielding determination, demanding a proper accounting of the missing from our government.
Remember.
The single red rose. The single red rose in the vase reminds us of the families and the loved ones of our comrades in arms who keep the faith, awaiting their return.
Remember.
Papa Smurfy, you can fix that mic if it'll help me. The lemon. The lemon reminds us of the bitter fate of those captured and missing in a foreign land. Remember.
Remember.
The salt. The salt symbolizes the tears of the missing and their families who still seek answers.
Remember.
The Bible. The Bible represents the strength gained through faith that sustains those lost from our country founded as one nation under God. Remember. The candle. The candle is lit, symbolizing the unconquerable spirit of prisoners of war and those who are missing in action, lighting their way home. Remember. The glass. The glass is inverted. They cannot toast with us today. Remember.
Remember.
The chair. The chair is empty. They are missing.
Remember.
The POWMIA flag is draped to cover the chair to symbolize our prayers daily, covering those who are prisoners of war or missing in action. Remember, all of you who served with them and called them comrades and called them brothers, remember.
Remember.
All of you who depend on their might and their aid then and even now, remember. All of you who still rely on those who serve, remember. Remember. Never forget. Remember. At this time, I'd like to ask Kelly to come, and if you would point your attention to our nation's colors over there, Kelly is going to lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
I was going to say, he wasn't going to sing, was he?